And there you have the 8x10 picture frame. This is what you're going to see, the finished product. Okay. Hi everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to make a simple picture frame. We're going to start from the very beginning from scratch. All I have here is a simple 1x6 board. I'm going to cut it to size. I'm going to make these about 2 inches wide, the frame, and we'll get started. Here we go. I'm going to make a frame for an 8x10 picture. So bear with me for just a minute. Here's what we're going to do first. 8x10. 10. So I'm going to go about 14 inches, 15 inches here. I'm going to cut 2 pieces like that, so 30 inches. Cut these on the chop saw. I'll be ready. Now I'm going to mark a 45-degree angle here. The saw is already set for that. So here we go. Now we go back to the table saw. Table saw. Here's what we're going to do. First of all, we're going to rabbet this all the way around. Okay, about a half an inch wide, about maybe 3/8 of an inch deep. So we're going to set the depth of the saw here. About 1/8 of an inch. Okay. 1/2 of an inch. Now that you cut these, and you just check to verify that they are exactly the same length, okay? There you go. These two are the same length, hopefully. Yes, they are. Okay, so put them together. These are the 2 sides. This is the top, and these are the 2. This is just a little bit over 8x10, about 8 1/4 by 10 1/4. And what we're going to do is we're going to nail them together. I use a little bit of paper so we didn't get glue all over the table. Now, making sure that you have a nice tight fit. Start nailing it together. And there you have the 8x10 picture frame. This is what you're going to see, the finished product. Now, we're going to get creative here. What we're going to do is we're going to build a double frame here. It's a little bit nicer. So if you like the first one, give us a thumbs up for the second video, okay? Here we go. We're going to get started. Now we're going to get a little creative here. What we're going to do is we're going to do a double frame. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and give us a comment. Okay, here we go. We're going to get started. We're going to start at this point here, actually. Okay, now we're going to cut the two sides, then we're going to come back and do the top and the bottom. Go. This is the second frame. The first frame just fits right into the second one. Here we go. This is what you see. Okay. Then you tack it in place here. Now you have a nice rustic frame that took only minutes to make, under a half an hour. There you have it. Now if you like this video, give us a comment below and share with your friends. Thank you.